So now we will try to see if the electronics fits in the case that I've designed. Okay, seems good. The EMU is floating now. Okay, the first version of the case is not the best. There's a lot of errors. I will fix in the second version. Okay. Now we will cover this lateral part. Okay. Fits well. Now I need to mount the EMU in this bracket, like that. Seems okay up to now. To fix the EMU, I'm going to use hexagonal screws. Now I fixed the EMU with some washers, insulated one, just to avoid any kind of short, but okay. Everything is in plastic, so I don't think this is an issue. Okay, seems quite good. The flat cable of the camera is enough free. Okay, so now I put the top cover. On the top cover I will use this filter for the air, just to avoid that the dust could enter the case. Okay, not so bad. Okay, now I'm going to fix the top cover. So the top cover is fixed, not so bad. Here there is a tape because of the error I made on the design of this case. Okay, so the next step is to fix the camera. Oops, not easy. Perfect. So I'm going to mount it like that with hexagonal screws. Okay. Okay, now I fixed the camera. It's good, it's not the best, because the camera is not perfectly aligned, but for the first test is okay. Now I need to find an idea to fix the antenna. I don't think this is the antenna we were going to use in the future, because it's very difficult to install somewhere, I don't know, like that, with some tape. Let's see if it works. let's try in this way. Okay, this is the final result. I would say it's an average job, it's not the best, but we have to go like that now. So here we have the hole for the power supply. Those are the wires for the servo control, and this is the camera. And so now in next video I'm going to install this one in a RC car and see what happens.